Hello everyone, happy Sunday, happy weekend. Welcome to my channel Jarvis since 2016. Yesterday I didn't find time to post a video. So today I will upload a video on Everton versus Wolves match. And we got the lineup playing 11. Let's see who will playing in Everton versus Wolves. These are the strikers of Wolverhampton and they are playing in a home and they have advantage in a home. Raul Jimenez, Pedro Neto, both they are starting. Raul Jimenez is a good striker in Wolves, and you can take him in every team because he will score. And meanwhile, in Everton team, Richarlison and Dominic Calvert-Lewin are playing in strikers. And these players are very good players and very well experienced player. And Richarlison, he's in good form, so you must try him captain, vice captain in GL. And let's see defenders of Wolves. Willy Bolly, Connor Cody captain and Roman Size. Matt Doherty and Johnny Otto also defenders, but they will play in wing position sometime. You must take Matt Doherty and Johnny Otto. So they will key players on the team. Both can score. And in defenders, Willy Bolly and Roman says these two players can possibly score, but today match I don't know about that. And in looking at Everton defenders, Digne, Mina, Keane, and Leighton Baines. These four defenders are like four pillars for Everton today. And today they are starting with Theo Walcott. I think Theo Walcott will do something good today. Let's see his stats. 13-year-old age and England player. So he has scored a goal on February 1st and 8th February. He made assist. Not much pretty good form, but I feel something about Theo Walcott today, and you can take him in any GL teams. So let's go to select a small league team for Everton versus the Wolves. So I will start taking my small league team for Everton versus Wolves. So first we will take strikers, go with strikers. Every team you must take Jimenez, Calvin Lewin and Richarlison. These three strikers we can't leave them. In any GL team you can try Daniel Podence. He is a good player in Wolverhampton. So you can take him, and Matt Doherty and Pedro Neto from so these two players you can take. Neto also is a striker position player only, but he is playing in wing back. Sorry, winger. And Gilfy must pick. Dentonker, you can take him. He can score. Ruben Neves also a good pick. So this will be looking our strikers and midfielders how they look like. And we have 33.5 credit balance, so we have to take according to that. Auto must pick, and we have to take Roman Size also. He's in good form. Willy Bolly also good player. So, but we need to take Everton defenders. So I'm taking Leighton Baines. He's a captain of Everton. He's playing as a left back. So in order to make a good and equal and solid team, you must take left back and right back of both teams. So now 8 credit is left for me to take another player. So I have to make a change and make a plan teams. So I'll take Doherty. So I'm taking Patricio today. Wolves may don't do counter attack, but Everton will do attack. So Patricia will get more saving points. Dentonker, try him. But we need to take more Everton players because Everton is a very good team, and Anthony Gordon, he last match he scored or gave an assist. I don't. Yeah. So I'm taking Keane. So we have taken three defenders from Everton and one from Wolves and one goalkeeper from Wolves. So this is how our SL team looks like. And captain vice captain choices I will tell you. Richarlison is your captain and vice captain Raul Jimenez. Vice versa, you can keep them captain as captain. And also another captain and vice captain choices. Gylfi as a captain. I mean Gylfi Sigurdsson. Gylfi Sigurdsson as a captain and vice captain as Richarlison. Can take an SL team. But my choice always Richarlison captain and Raul Jimenez as vice captain. This is how our SL team looks like. And my brother Hazard Ujit and he's joining. So these are my favorite contestants for now today this match. I selected only 4 or 5 contestants playing this 4 only repeatedly, and in some matches I'm playing 299 and 3850 contest and all, which contest means winner takes all 4 members. These are 10k winning contest I'm playing, and this 10k contest is risky, but in higher level players will come with safe teams, so you can find weak players by waiting and joining early. So you can find any weak players, you can join with them. And if you don't find, it's okay. We can play in small league like 15, 17, 12, 36, and whatever amount which is according to your budget, you can play with small league team. And for making GL teams, I will give you one tip for you GL teams. I will show you another second team. So this is initial team without lineup, just simply took. I will make on GL team with this. Okay, Gymnast, Levin I'm leaving, Richarlison, Doherty I'm taking, Nito as he's in striker I'm taking, Gilfy and Dentaker I'm taking, Digne, Size, Otto. And from now, Everton I'm taking Keane. And Everton goalkeeper I'm taking. Here you see I have taken team advantage for Wolves, but I have taken defenders in Everton. So you think what this team will work in GL? It's depend upon the player which they are playing, and their substitute also. If they are substitute early, you may end up with loss, but you can get good money in Nigeria and good place. So this is my another GL team. Gylfi as a captain, Doherty as vice captain. Why I kept Doherty as vice captain? He's playing in left back, sorry, left midfielder, and winger position also he and set piece mainly. So I'm taking him. And in this playing 11, I will give you one suggestion. Select 11 players from these both teams. Choose 11 players who are best. I'm saying player number 1, Raul Jimenez. Player number 2, Richarlison. Player number 3, Calvin Levin. Player number 4, Gylfi Sigurdsson. Player number 5, Lucas Digne. Player number 6, Michel Keane. And player number 7, Willy Bolly. And player number 8, Matt Doherty. And player number 9, Johnny Otto. And player number 11, Rui Patricio or Jordan Pickford. According to this, keep teams and make different combination. Take 11 players, decide for 11 set of players, and choose captain as captain according to the positions, like changing every captain and vice captain in the 11 players. And this is my important GL tip. I used to make team like this only. I will select on 11 players, and in that 11 players I will rotate the captain and vice captain options. I hope this video will help you for making GL. So you join this match, and I tell you one thing, just do practice with this match. Make 11 teams, join in practice contest, and see your work, how you are doing, how your GL work is going. Every match you just join one team within GL and make 11 teams and keep them in practice. So you will know which position your team's getting, and once you get confident, you place your money in GL, then you will get GL about good victory. This is my ultimate tip. Every time if I don't feel confident, I'll just use to play a practice match. So it gives me experience, and I know I can make teams. That makes me perfect. Like this only I evolved. So I'm helping you now and free of cost in my YouTube. If you want my team, you can check in my Telegram channel. I'll post the Telegram channel description in my description box, so you can join and see the final team. Okay guys, thank you. Keep supporting my channel. Give a like if you like this video, and drop a comment if you feel any issues in the video regarding clarity or audio, or if you like to give a suggestion, please leave your comment. Okay guys, this is Jarvis signing off.